Alright, what's up today, guys? I'm gonna be showing you guys how I win 80% of my trades. I do trade ICT concepts, so I'll be showing you guys what happened last week. This is the week before Christmas, but what I do every single day. This is, I think, Monday. Let's look at Nasdaq. I'm gonna go on the hourly. So disregard this hourly candle right here because it's showing the 10 a.m. candle. Actually, no, it's showing the 9 a.m. candle, but showing a little bit after 9:30. I always do this before the market opens, Eastern Standard Time, 9:30. Always look what type of structure we do have. Let's go look right here. We aren't bearish. We're bullish going on the hourly. Going 4-hour. Bullish again. So I'm looking for buys when the market does open. I had these fair value guys marked out when I was going into the before market open. This one got disrespected because it had a close below it, so I always delete those after. If it has a close below it on the time frame I mark it out on, delete that fair value gap, disregard it, and then go into market open at 9:30. We had this big push up, and then 9:35 we created this fair value gap in between it. So I'm obviously looking for buys into this extension up back up to this high right here. So I always go on a smaller time frame. So it's the 5-minute. I'm always going to go into the 1 minute to look for a breaker structure. Keep on going down, 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 down. See, I'm not gonna, it almost closed below it, but it's on the 1 minute, so we're not looking for that. On the 5-minute, if it has a close before it, below it, then we're going to disregard it. But on the 1 minute, with this little fair value gap, it disrespected it. If you're looking for buys in this, you delete that one. On a higher time frame, look for that fair value gap if there is one. All right, we're getting push up, not entering off of that. I don't enter when it enters the fair value gap, just because you don't know what fair value gaps are going to be respected. So we're still pushing up. I'm looking for a breaker structure. Actually, I don't think I waited for a breaker structure on this one. I think I just took it off of this candle, actually, just because it looked really good. I always hold it below. This is what you guys can do. You can put your stop loss below there, have a better risk reward of 1-to-1, but I always put it below here, like the lowest low, the low before the breakup, higher low, low, you know what I mean? You guys can put it here, but the 1 minute's more fractal, so it could take out these lows and then go right back up. It's always below here. I know it's a 0.6 risk reward, but I did win this trade, if you guys are wondering. I think I took it off that. We're going up, going up, going up. Literally, it was like a 5-minute trade. I was like on my phone, look back at it, already hit my take profit. So I took half of my position off up here. I know I had more stops up here, but they're like all on the 4-hour time frame, so I'm not gonna look at those. But after that, I hit the first take profit, have set my alerts, and then hit it. Move myself to break even, take half of my position off, and then see. I know it came back. There's no way. I know it didn't hit my second take profit. I know it was like high. Actually, it might have hit my second. I know I hit one take profit on one of them. Yeah, I hit 2 take profits. I don't know if you guys can see this if I'm even showing it right. But I hit 2 take profits on the first trade. That was my weekly recap. So I did hit 2 take profits on it. And then obviously it came back to my, if it'll keep on going. All right, see you there. Hit out my take break even, but I know hit two on this one on the other one. I think on SPX, I think it was literally the next day. I'm just gonna look on my phone for which day it was. Yeah, it was the next day. But I only took 2 trades last week just because I didn't even want to trade Friday because it's the day before Christmas, like, you know. But or you know what I mean. The 19th. Yeah, Tuesday the 19th. Go at 9, look at what's going on here. Looking at 9, we're looking for buys again just because it broke structure off this candle right here. That green candle broke structure. And we actually never broke structure to the downside on the hourly. Let's go on the 4 hour. We never broke structure to the downside either, so we're still looking for buys, in my opinion. Some people trade differently. I don't trade like that, but every day I always do my bias. Obviously, I'm picking the direction it's gonna go, or like I want it to go for me to enter. Obviously, if it's not fitting into my bias, I just don't trade those days. Showing I only took 2 trades out of the 5 days I could have traded. But yeah, I'll actually go on the 15 minute to see actually what we're looking at here. There's this fair value gap right here, push into it, and then went right back up. So obviously we're still looking for buys. That shows more confirmation, but it's 8:45. Disrespected, going down, and then big push up right at 9:30. Let's go on the 5 minute. See if there's any fair value gaps. Yeah, there is a fair value gap right here. This is what I was looking for. Push down. This is at 9:40. I'm waiting for it to push down into that. I don't think he did even push it down in this. I think I might have had. I wish it would show me on my phone what time frame. I should look. I take pictures of all my trades, so I'll look. MR specs, yeah. So I was on the 1 minute. I need to see. I think I actually. This is looking back into it, showing you guys I'm not capping. But I do take pictures of all my trades. I don't know if you can see that. But I had this fair value gap marked out. Oh yeah, no, it did tap into on the 1 minute and then had a breaker structure right here. Right here. So I was looking for longs off of that. It's not this right here. I think I took it after this candle right here. So I saw this volume coming in. I knew it was gonna already go towards my TP. You guys aren't gonna like this though. I had one of my my first TP I think was actually right here because it was a high confluence trade. You guys might not trade like that, but that's literally you guys are gonna make fun of me for this. A 0.2 risk reward. I won the trade. If you guys don't trade like that, I understand, but if it's a high conflict, like most people would actually have their stop right here, but I just found more like I win more of the time when I do put it at the lowest low. But yeah, this is my first TP. I took it on like the close of this and I saw the high volume, so I was like, oh, I'm entering. I entered, it literally hit it in the same candle, so I just closed it basically when it came back down here because I already moved my stop to break even after I hit my first TP. But it's pretty simple, guys. Like if there's no news, you obviously can trade right after 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's what I do. But if there's news on the day, I always wait till 10 if it's high impact news, just because it usually comes out at 10. But always be cautious of if you knowing what's going on. I don't know where I have my second TP at. I'll actually look that for you guys. It's gonna be all the way back there, but I know I had my first TP right there just because it's a high confluence area. There's a lot of equal highs right there. It's just showing that there is liquidity right there. It did have a push down. It took me out. I should have entered off of. It would have been the same candle because I would have entered off of this candle right here. But then I don't know. I think I wasn't even paying attention when it did hit this. Actually, I know I was paying attention. I just didn't know it tapped into this already, just because I wasn't really paying attention on my phone. Like I think I had it marked out wrong, and then I realized it did tap into it. So I was like, oh shoot, let me go in the 1 minute. This was after this candle closed. I saw this candle, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait. And then this candle, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait again. This candle again, wait. And then this candle, I was like, fuck it, I already hit my shit. So I was like, I already hit my like rules. So I'm gonna enter it. I don't know. I just kind of got lucky on it actually going straight to my TP. I think I would have entered off this trade. If I would have missed that, I would have waited for this fair value gap to get filled. And then obviously I would have entered off this candle and then have probably had more TPs up here. So it would have been still a win no matter what. But it's pretty simple, guys. You got to look for fair value gaps and liquidity. See, just because, usually when the market does open, it does have liquidity already swept out. See, this is like pre-market liquidity, sweeps it out, has a breaker structure to the upside, does create a fair value gap. And then, we're obviously just looking for confluences that go in our favor, and our bias is already being solidified. So, I mean, it's pretty simple, guys. But if you guys do want more videos like this of me explaining it, like this video and let me know in the comments if you guys need help or, want to just support it. But, all right, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.